Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to install Android 11 ROS ROM on Xiaomi Redmi 7A. So first of all, disclaimer, you need to have bootloader unlocked. How to do so, I'll make a video soon, and if it will come out, it will be linked in the description. And you need, if you have unlocked bootloader, or you have searched for tutorial on some websites, and you have bootloader unlocked, you need to have installed TWRP recovery on this phone. How to do so, I made a video. It will be linked below as well. So this is the ROS ROM, really cool. But if you are subscribed to my channel, I recommend you doing so. You may have noticed that I have made the review and installation guide of Evolution X Android 10 ROM. And well, personally, I think that it's more useful, I'd say, because this one has a couple of bugs. Well, not like bad bugs, but they will affect your experience with the Android 11 ROM. So these bugs I'll show you later. I have installed Pixel Launcher here as well, because I prefer Pixel Launcher than other launchers, because whenever you install Pixel Launcher as an APK, it will fail. And how to install it, you need to install it through recovery. How to do it, I will show you later as well. But link for the archive will be in description as well. So now, because I have installed Pixel Launcher, because you see this bottom bar, I like it. I prefer this bottom Google search bar here than at the top, and I like it here. But many people prefer it at the top, or they just don't want to have it, and that's fully understandable. And whenever you want to install Pixel Launcher, be sure to check out your previous launcher, because whenever you install Pixel Launcher, the other launchers just will mess up completely and they will be unable to use. If you don't understand what I'm saying, I will show you later what does that mean when Pixel Launcher is impossible to use. Now let me show you the bugs. The only bug I have noticed and seen, whenever you unlock the phone, there is the red flash. And doesn't matter which wallpaper you have, which launcher, it always has this red flash. As you can see, I have unlocked the phone, and now the red flash just has been lit up. So this is the strange bug which may affect your experience, but if you're cool with that, the ROM will be just fine. There are some other apps. Only Google app is Google and Play Store. All the clients, the Google phone is outdated. You have to install Google phone, the newer version. Just an IPK from APK Mirror will do just fine. And a clock app is outdated as well. So yeah, same with calculator. Gallery is just the developers of the ROM made Gallery. It's not Google Gallery. So as you can see, calendar is self-made by developers as well. So as you can see, Gallery here, as you can see, I have this trick because I wanted to test this red flash bug. Will it fix the wallpaper? Sadly, it did not. So yeah, I think these are the all bugs that are here. So I think you could try this ROM out if it's for you. If not, but I strongly recommend you using the Android 10 ROM, because it's more stable, it has more features. But yeah, let's install it. You can review it for yourself. So first of all, you need to download the ROM. Link will be in the description. The Magisk zip, just zip, not APK, for the root access. You just need to swipe in the recovery to install, because for some reason in the new versions of Magisk, at least on some ROMs, I have noticed that there's no option to download the zip to install Magisk, just only to patch the boot image. So I will leave the zip in the description whenever you zip it. But first of all, be sure to install Magisk Manager app. After that, just flash the zip, which will be provided in the description box below. After that, you'll have normal root access, which will work just fine. So after that, pixelize the USB. If you want to change your launcher to Pixel Launcher, it will also change a boot animation to Google boot animation. But remember, install Pixelize USB whenever you want to install this Pixel Launcher, because if you don't like Pixel Launcher, after installation of Pixelized AOSP, it will mess up all your launchers. And the only way to fix it will be just to format all data on the ROM, and after that you will be good to go. And so first of all, install your recovery if you haven't done so. So install recovery and do not boot to MIUI after installation. Wait here because the recovery will just delete by itself. As you can see, here's this video about the Android 11 Easter egg. What's the real Easter egg? You can find out. You can find out on my video, which will be in the description below as well. It's a really cool Easter egg. How to activate it, I have shown in my video. So yeah, let's install our ROM. Sadly, it does not have this button to reboot to recovery. You need to manually hold the restart button and tap restart button and hold volume up button all the way till your recovery. The only way to boot to recovery with one button is to via Magisk Manager or some other apps which need root access. So here we are in the recovery. This is custom recovery, but it's really cool recovery. So okay, after installation recovery, need to go to format data. I recommend you doing so to clean every single file on your device, back it up. After that we can restore it, because it's better to install every ROM with a clean when you have clean installation. So after that, select all the partitions I have selected except for microSD and USB OTG, and you can uncheck internal storage after formatting data, but well, why not? It will not do anything bad for our phone. But yeah, let's swipe it, and as you can see here we have the error. It's because we have selected the internal storage partition, but it's okay. Nothing is wrong with your phone. Everything is okay. Now I'll select storage because I have my ROM in micro SD card. You can transfer your ROM. If you don't have micro SD card, you can transfer it to your PC. So format data on your phone. After that, from PC, transfer your ROM from PC to your phone, or just simply have it in your SD card. So first of all, install ROS ROM. After that, install the GApps. Link for the GApps will be in the description as well, so don't worry. So now I will don't check the reboot after installation is complete. Tick this because it's better when we control the installation process. Okay, now the ROM has been installed. As you can see, it has this really cool logo here, but finally it has been installed. So ROS ROMs, they are really cool. Everybody, like most people, like them, but as you can see, it's a really old build. It's like from the October, so it's really old, not that new, but whatever, it works fine except for this flashback, and I could not find a newer version. Now let's install our GApps. Don't check the reboot after installation is complete as well. But there shouldn't be any errors, but as you can see, here we are installing our GApps. And just wait a minute or two because installation will take some time. As you can see, we have installed our GApps, no errors. Now we can safely boot the system, and don't install pixelized AOSP. You can do that if you want to have straight after installation you want to boot up to Pixel Launcher, but I recommend you to review the launcher for yourself if you like it or not. Now the first boot will take some time as well. Okay, as you can see, now we have finally booted up into the ROM. As you can see here, the Google search bar is at the top. You can't remove it. It's a quick step launcher. It's a cool launcher, but you can't remove this Google search bar from the top. So either it will be at the bottom or it will be at the top. So this is the quick step launcher. If you don't want to have this search bar at the bottom or on top, install launcher. As I have typed it here, it's lawn, and after that it's chair. Okay, now you want to install your Pixel launcher. So first of all, boot into recovery, back to recovery, hold the volume up button. Now we're in the recovery, swipe, install, find your pixelized USB, link will be in the description for you to download as well. So it will be in my SD card, and it's here. Now reboot after installation is complete. And on my Redmi 7A, like right here, it does not end with error 7, but on my Redmi 5 Plus, it ends with error 7. But whenever it ends with error 7, don't worry, it's installed properly. But it's just this error, sometimes it's error 7, but it's okay, don't worry. Error 7 means nothing in this case. It installs just fine. But here, it just has installed normally. And as you can see, now we have this Google animation, which is, well, bigger than usual, but it's alright. We're not here for the animation, we're here for the Pixel launcher. Now we unlock our phone, and as you can see, quick step keeps stopping. You just can't use that launcher. It just freezes all the time. It's impossible to use it. So now apps and notifications, see my all apps and quick step, and it advanced, and should be, there's an option right here, should be, oh yeah, home app, Pixel launcher. Now as you can see, Pixel launcher, it's now here. It works perfectly fine. So as you can see, that's how you can install Pixel launcher and your ROM. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe, leave a like, share the video with your friends. So again, thanks for watching, and bye.